Hello everyone and welcome to another video about XAF Blazor. Today we're gonna be showing another editor. It's basically a multi-select for the XP collections property. So basically if we have a relationship in one-to-many, as we have here with our company that it has a collection of customers. Now let's run it, let's see it in action, and let's uh, talk a little bit about it. The great thing about here is that we are using the DX drop-down box. And while this is loading, we can show the documentation. This DX drop-down box is something that is just for 24.1. If you try to look for it, it doesn't exist before, but it's really nice. It's an editor with a drop-down window. You can see here that we can basically include anything that we will need to add there, a list tree, a data grid, a combination of controls. So we can do basically a lot of neat things, and you can read more about the documentation. In our case, as we saw, we have a company and we have customers. So let's add a few more customers. YouTube, save and close. And then we have all these customers, right? So when we actually create a new company, and let's call this company Sari2, Sari2, we're gonna have all these customers to choose from. And basically right here we can select, and if you see we're displaying separate by comma, but that's up to us. And we save and close. If we open it again, they are the three selections that we did. We can select all of them. Same thing, we can unselect a few and so on. So this is a really neat thing, and I have seen several tickets in the support center asking for a lookup that it has multi-selection. So here we go. And if we come back to the implementation for just a second, we did this the old way. So we have an adapter, an editor, a model, and so on. The two most important one, of course, is the editor, where we say where it's gonna be for the type of customer when we have a list, XP collection in this case, and the render. In the render, we have our DX drop-down box, and inside we have a template that will be the list box, and in here we have the values that we're going to be presenting, and when those values change, what we're going to do, and also we're going to display a certain way. How we're going to display, we're going to use this format displays. We're going to be joining them by separate by comma. Right here, we're also reacting to the list box value change, where we are actually updating our values and so on. So that's basically it. Again, we have our component model as a parameter, same way that we do in our property editors. And that's basically it. I hope you guys find it useful, and see you in the next video.